Hello guys, welcome to my channel How to Fix WhatsApp is download failure. Sorry this media file progs to be missing. Please ask to resend it. This is the basic step by step follow the steps. First step click to the search bar, search the settings. I'm using for the Windows level in PC. You will click to the you see the mobile. You will go to the click and create data in WhatsApp. I click to the apps. I will click to the install apps. You will scroll down for you see the WhatsApp. I click to the triple dot. I click to the advanced options. You will search for the app performance. You click to always select. You are using for the mobile only. You click to the always select to allow to always. You will click to scroll down for you see the repeat click to the select. After you click to the reset. You will using for the mobile only. You will click to the clear cache and clear data. Okay. You will go back for you will check for your mobile using only. Check your WhatsApp update. I will click to the Microsoft Store. I will search the WhatsApp. We were checking for the update. I mean, already updated. Okay. You will go back. You will click to the restart your PC or laptop. Okay. But you will using for the mobile, you will reboot your mobile. After this problem is not working only, you will go to the mobile use, check your network connection. I will go to the control panel, click to the enter. You see the in network and sharing setting, click to open. Next, click to the change the adapter settings. You click to the I'm using for the Wi-Fi. I will click to the properties. Click to the Internet Protocol version 4. Click to the properties. You will set it for the open an IP address automatically. You will then set for the use the following DNS server address. You will change the DNS server address for 88888844. After click to the OK, you will click to the close. After you will click to the open the WhatsApp, you will click to the start. You will click to the open your phone. You will set to the settings. You will scan to you will using for the WhatsApp. This is the problem is 100% fix it. Thank you for watching.